can we see who shared your Instagram post? Today, we're going to talk about something that many of us are curious about: how to see who shared your Instagram post. That's right, if you've been wondering who's spreading your content across the feed, I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know, so let's get into it. First things first, open your Instagram app and make sure you're logged into your account. Now tap on the three horizontal bars and scroll down until you find an option that says account types and tools. Simply tap on it and tap on switch to professional account. Simply tap on OK. Simply click on next. Hit on next again. Now what you can do is simply go to the post where you want to see the shared option. Simply go to the post, tap on the three dots and simply tap on insights. Here you can find how many people have watched your post, how many people have interacted with it, and how many people have shared it and saved it as well. So while Instagram doesn't let you exactly see who shared your post, you can always check the shares metrics in your insights and keep an eye on shared stories. And hey, engaging with your followers is always a win-win.